Changing your password on Temu is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled security or password. Tap on it to access password-related options. Step 4. Choose change password. Select the option to change your password. You may be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Step 5. Enter new password. Input your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure your new password meets any specified security requirements, then save your changes. After completing these steps, your password will be updated successfully. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for future reference.